Hi everyone, I'm doing a continuation of my Greek mythology series. Today we are doing Hera, the queen of the gods. I went ahead and started by putting like a full face of glam makeup on, and now we're going to get to the painting. I went ahead and took my handy dandy skin colored eyeliner and sketched out our drawing. And now I'm going to go ahead and color it. So now it's like a color by numbers. Once you get it drawn, it's a color by numbers. So you can do it too. And I'm going to use my Paradise Aqua Paints by Mehron, which as you can see I have heavily loved and mixed and made a big mess out of. But that's okay. I'm going to start by blocking in the flowers white. Their petals are going to be white, but I can add the shading and highlights on top of it to give it dimension and make it look more realistic. Then I'm going to fill in the blooms. I'm using white paint mixed with blue paint to make that light blue color, since the colors I used were light blue to go with the peacock feathers. What I learned from the last time I did peacock feathers was that they're fairly repetitive. So I'm just going to fill in the insides with dark blue, and then you layer the outsides, and then I'll just kind of keep explaining as we go, but I'll have to do like 4 or 5 of them each time. Now I'm going to have the layer of light bluish green around the darker blue area. Now the bronzy part, and it's kind of starting to look like a backwards avocado, but it's okay, and we're going to add the highlight and shimmer later. Around that layer we have a layer of light green, and that kind of feathers out into the rest of the feathers. Now I'm just going to add a ton of tiny lines. This isn't going to be a super realistic painting, kind of somewhere in between graphic and realism, so have fun with it, do it the way you want, stylize it, make it your own. I'm going in with my shimmery eyeshadow and adding that holographic edge that those feathers have in real life. And I'm going to use this highlighter kit to highlight the rest of the picture, which I had time to fix because my camera died in the middle of it, and then I had to sit here while it was charging, so I did some details. And here we are. And there you have it. It's almost as easy as it looks. Once you get the sketch in, then you just fill in the paints, and the paint is water-based, so if you mess it up, just get a cup of water and erase the parts you don't like. Add a little powder on top if you want that shimmer, or if you want to do more shading. And then you're done. Go ahead and try it at home, tag me, let me see your looks or different takes on it, and leave a subscription, subscribe, or leave a comment, or I guess a thumbs up because it's YouTube, and then let me know what you think.